Hello, Roma. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you feeling, Aunty?
I'm not feeling well these days, but I'm okay.
I'm sorry to hear that. Why did you call me Aunty?
Roma, I want to see you. Can you come to my house? Please don't say no. I know you are about to get married. I just want to have a chat with you. Will you come?
I don't know. Is this Alex's plan?
No, dear. Please, he is not at home. He went to the market to buy medicine. He will be late.
I'm still not sure. I need some time to think.
Roma, please, for old time's sake. I promise it's not a trick.
Okay, Aunty. I will come, but just for a short while.
Thank you, dear. I appreciate it.
Roma, are you going somewhere?
Yes, Mom, I'm going to college to submit my assignment. Where are you guys going?
Oh, honey, I have some issue with my bank account. So your father and I are going to the bank to fix it.
Okay, Mom.
Well, you go and be careful.
I will, Dad, don't worry.
Make sure you come home early. The weather is getting bad. Roma, are you sure you're just going to college? You seem a bit anxious.
Yes, Mom, I'm just a bit stressed about my assignment. Don't worry.
All right, dear, take care and call us if you need anything. And remember, always keep your phone charged.
Yes, I will. See you later.
Long time no see, Monica. So, how is your married life?
What married life? I'm going to divorce Alex. I turned into a maid after marrying him.
What's wrong with you? Why are you going to divorce him? He is a good man. Besides, you love him, don't you?
What love? I thought I would have a better life after marrying him. But it didn't happen.
What kind of girl are you? I don't understand. Now what's next?
What next? Now I'm enjoying my life as I used to. I will find someone who can fulfill all my heart's desires.
Well, it's your life. Leave as you want.
Thanks, Jenny. I will. And how about you? Are you dating anyone?
Not yet. I don't like these kinds of things. I will do an arranged marriage. I don't like dating or love.
How long are you going to be single? Find a good boy and start dating.
No way, Monica. I believe in the traditional way of finding a partner. I want my family to be involved in the process.
But, what if you don't like the person your family chooses for you?
I trust my family's judgment. They know me well. And they will choose someone who is compatible with me.
That's a different approach. I could never do that.
Everyone has their own preferences. What works for me might not work for you.
True, but I think it's important to choose your own partner. You should at least get to know the person before committing to marriage.
Just look at yourself. You chose your partner. And now you are getting a divorce. I'm sorry. But I believe in the sanctity of marriage. And trust my family to find a suitable match for me.
Everyone deserves to find their happiness. I hope you find someone perfect for you soon.
Exactly. And I believe I will find mine through an arranged marriage. Hey, are you free tonight?
Yes, but why are you asking?
Let's go to the club. We haven't been to the club for a long time.
That's a great idea. Honey, I could use a night out.
Perfect. It's been so long since we had some fun together.
Auntie, you have changed a lot. How did this happen?
Forget about me, dear. You tell me, how have you been?
I'm good. Where is Monica?
What to tell, dear? My Alex made a big mistake with that greedy girl. She left the house and wants a divorce. She hates us. I told Alex not to marry her, but he didn't listen. Now he is regretting it a lot.
Well, okay. But how can I help you? Why did you ask me to come over?
Roma, please give him a chance. My son is a good boy. He still loves you.
Auntie, I knew you would say this, but I don't love him. He left me when I needed him the most. He married my best friend and betrayed me. And now that Monica left him, he started loving me. No, I love someone else, and he loves me too. I can't betray him.
I understand, dear. But please, at least talk to him once.
I already did. And I have moved on.
I see. I just wanted you both to be happy. I'm worried about Alex.
I know you care for him, but this is something I can't do. I hope you understand. I should leave now. Goodbye.